I'm here at London Police Headquarters, where just minutes ago, a joint submission was presented in the professional misconduct case of Constable Steve Williams. Under the proposed deal, Williams would plead guilty to 3 counts of professional misconduct and forfeit 70 hours' pay. Williams improperly inserted himself into a criminal investigation involving a close friend who was going through a separation with his wife. The officer also improperly used the police database to run multiple background checks on the woman. The charges, 2 counts of discreditable conduct and 1 count of neglect of duty, were laid under the Police Services Act. The complainant in the case, as well as her advisor, Megan Walker of the London Abused Women's Centre, are opposed to the plea deal.
Police officers are held to a higher standard because they hold themselves to that higher standard. And so we have grown to expect a higher standard out of police officers. And when we see a police officer who has so flagrantly disobeyed the law and who has tried so many different ways to harm the woman in this case, it's discouraging, and it's a blow for sure. And it's difficult to know that a police officer who's facing these charges and pleads guilty to 3 charges would be penalized only by receiving 70 hours of pay reduction. It's difficult for us in the public to understand that he still holds his position as a police officer, given everything he's been through. It's difficult for us to understand that he's been on a paid leave of absence during all of this. And it's difficult because when you're a victim, you end up with nothing. You spend your hard-earned resources trying to seek justice, and you experience significant amounts of trauma, and so there's no justice. The wheels of justice, the balance of power, always seems to be in the wrong court.
The adjudicator in the case says he'll release his decision within 2 weeks.